Hello, welcome back to the course, and in this video I will be showing you how to connect the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor into the Raspberry Pi GPIO and measure the temperature and the humidity using the Node-RED. For the DHT11 sensor here, we have the specification operate at the 3 or to 5 volt power supply, and it has the 2.5 milliampere maximum current. It can measure the range of humidity from 20% to 80% range within the 5% accuracy, and for the temperature that it measure, which is from 0 to 50 degrees Celsius plus and minus 2 degrees Celsius accuracy. It has a 1 Hertz sampling rate once every second. For the DHT11 temperature sensor here, it made up of two parts, a capacitive humidity sensor and a thermistor temperature sensor. Because the output is digital, the chip also includes an analog to digital converter signal. The DHT22 is similar to the DHT11, and it has the same size and shape, but for the DHT22 it has a wider range of measurement and it's also more accurate than the DHT11. And in this project I will use the DHT11 sensor. DHT11, some sensor it has 4 pin and some it has 3 pin. For the sensor that has 4 pin, we use only 3 pin, and for the sensor that has only 3 pin, there's a data pin here, as you can see on the figure here, and we have the VCC, which is the supply voltage. Normally we use the voltage from 3.3 to 5 volt. For our project Raspberry Pi Node-RED, we will use only the 3.3 volt here supply voltage, and the third pin here we use to connect the G and D to the G and D. So let's connect this one to your Raspberry Pi and now program it on the Node-RED. On the Node-RED here, first I create a new flow and I name it as DHT11 sensor and click OK. We need to install the node by clicking on the hamburger icon here and click on the manage palette, and now click on the install tabs here. We need to install the DHT11 first, so we just search for I'm using this one, node-red-contrib DHT sensor here. So click the install and click in install. Just wait for the installation complete. Okay, the installation now is complete, and click close, and after that you can see additional node, which is RPI-DHT11 sensor here on under the Raspberry Pi node here. I bring out the inject node, and I need the debug node in order to display the output of the measurement, and I need the DHT input and output here. So I double click on the inject node and I name this one to click, and I set the repeat here in interval in every 5 seconds, because I want to send a signal to measure the humidity and temperature sensor in every 5 seconds. Okay, click done, and on the RPI DHT22 node here, double click it, and I name this one to DHT11 sensor. And for the sensor model, uh, click on this one and choose the DHT11 because what I'm using here, the DHT11, and for the pin numbering I select the BCM GPIO. So I use the pin number which is GPIO number 4, the data pin that I'm connecting to the Raspberry Pi, and click on done. Can now connect the 3 nodes together, and after that we click on deploy. And in order to start measure, I'm click on the debug here first, and here it send out the message here which is 27, the number here. Now I want to show all the data here which is the temperature and the humidity. So I double click on this one and I choose the option here, complete MSG object, meaning that to show the complete message object, and click on deploy. Okay, I delete this one again and click on start. Okay, now it show here the value here is 27 degrees Celsius, the temperature, and the humidity which is 45%. So that's how we use the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor in Node-RED. Thank you.